Okay, hi. Welcome to We Met Aviation and Language Academy. So again, today we have a module in French language. In French language, we have articles, definite articles and indefinite articles, which we have done yesterday, right? You know what? In French language, we based upon females and males. We have a things that based upon feminine and masculine. Is that clear to you? Now, for example, we have a lot of things over here. Now, for example, because we are doing the articles over here, we'll do the conversation practice also. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Now, for example, we have one module over here. The module is, one second, if you will say, I want to buy a car. For example, you will say, I want to, I want to buy a car. For example, you will say, I want to buy a car. I want. So basically, in French language, what we have to do? I have to understand my verb want. I have to understand my verb buy. Is it clear to you? Now, buy is a verb of ashte.
Yes.
Buy is a verb of
Ashate.
ashte. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now, what is my want? See, it is very important to understand one concept. For example, I will say I want to eat, I want to go, the normal French. If in English, I want to do, I want to read, is that clear to you? The same in French language also. So for example, if you will come to know, like what is I want, you, she wants, he wants, is that clear to you? Now, it is very important to understand because as I already conveyed to you, my French language is based upon my verb portion. Like we have a full verb, for example, we have a verb parler. What is parler? Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. C'est clair?
Yes. Claire.
Now, we have done aller verb.
Yes.
Yesterday we have done aller verb. So what is aller verb? Jave.
Jave.
Why Jave? Because this is a different ending. We have a lot of verbs in French language where we have a different endings. Like we have aller verb, je tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. C'est clair?
Claire.
Now we have a verb, vouloir. Speak up. Vouloir. V-O-U-L-O-I-R. Vouloir. Speak up. Vouloir.
Vulvar.
Why vouloir? Because OU sound is U
Yes.
and OI sound is
Is
Va.
va.
Say Claire.
Claire.
See, because today I just want to explain to you like how to speak French. For example, you are meeting the people and you say, you want to eat food, you want to eat apple, you want to take tea. So it is, I have to have understand about my want verb first in French language. For example, you came to know want verb, so it means you can speak French. I'm telling you that's a reality. My vulvar verb is a very important verb in French language. Say Claire,
Claire.
right? So vulvar, speak up, vulvar. Vulvar is a verb to want.
Okay.
Vulvar is a full verb to want. Say Claire.
Claire.
Say Claire.
Claire.
Vulvar is a full verb basically, which is to want. Say Claire.
Claire.
So now speak after me. We have a verb vulvar. V-O-U-L-O-I-R. Now repeat after me. Vulvar is a verb
Vulvar is the verb
to want.
to want.
Full verb. Because my vulvar is IR ending verb. As I already explained to you, any verb in French language, either it will ending from ER,
Yes.
either it will ending from
Or
RE, or either it will ending from IR. So either it will ending from ER, IR and RE. So vulvar verb over here, it is ending from IR. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now you know the formula. If I am saying vulvar is to want, so I want cannot be a vulvar. That's a different ending because that's a full verb. Say Claire.
Claire.
So for example, if I want to convert my vulvar verb with I want, you want, he wants, she wants, we want, you want, that's a formal, and they want. Now, speak up. Je veux.
Je veux.
Speak up. Je veux.
Je veux.
Tu veux.
Tu veux.
Repeat after me. Je veux.
Je veux.
Tu veux.
Tu veux.
Il veut.
Il veut.
Elle veut.
Elle veut.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Vous allez.
Vous allez.
Ils veulent.
Ils veulent.
Elles veulent. C'est
Elles
clair?
veulent. Clair.
C'est clair?
Clair.
Now, see, repeat after me. Je veux.
Je
Okay,
veux.
I will not pen down. Speak after me. Je veux.
Je veux.
V-E-U-X. See, I'm just telling you that's the reality of the verbs, right? For example, if I will say I want, you want, okay, he wants, she wants, so how I will pen down? So how I will pen down? What I can do is I will pen down the entire verb of my vulvar, and I will show it in the front of the camera. Is it clear to you? So what you can do is now speak after me. Je veux.
Je veux.
Speak up. Je veux.
Je veux.
Tu veux. Speak up. Tu
Tu
veux.
veux.
Il veut.
Il veut.
Yes.
Elle veut.
Exactement. Il veut.
Elle veut.
And elle veut. C'est clair?
Clair.
Nous voulons. Speak up. Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Speak up. Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Speak up. Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Speak up. Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
And ils veulent. Elles veulent.
Ils veulent. Elles veulent.
Now repeat after me. Je veux.
Je veux.
Tu veux.
Tu veux.
See, this is my verb basically. See, we have a verb pattern vulvar. Now repeat after me. Repete apre moi.
Vulvar.
Vulvar. Speak up.
Vulvar.
Vulvar is a verb to want. As I already conveyed to you, my vulvar verb, V-O-U-L-I-O-R. Vulvar is a verb to want. So if I want to convert, I want, that is je veux, that is V-E-U-X. Tu veux, V-E-U-X.
Tu
But
veux.
il and L with V-E-U-T. C'est clair?
Clair.
Like we have a conjugate verb, we have S-S-T. Over here we have X-X-T. C'est clair?
Clair.
So je veux is to I want. Tu veux is to you want. Il veut, elle veut is to he, she wants. Now here we have a same ending of O-N-S.
Okay.
Nous voulons. Speak up. Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
C'est clair. Is it ending?
Yes.
And ENT ending?
Yes.
Ils veulent, elles veulent. Why veulent? Because we have V-E-U-L-E-N-T. V-E-U-L-E-N-T. N-N-T would not be pronounced. V-E-U, that is us. EU, EU sound is in French. EU sound is, pen down please. In French. My EU sound is a. Now repeat after me. My EU sound is in French. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Now repeat after me. Je veux,
Je veux.
tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez.
Nous voulons.
Yes, why? Because OU sound is OU. Nous voulons, vous voulez,
Vous voulez.
il, elle, veulent. Why veulent? Because EU sound is a. EU sound is? For this reason, je veux. EU sound is a.
Yes.
C'est clair.
Clair.
Now repeat after me. We have a verb vulvar. We have a verb vulvar. Vulvar is to want.
Want.
So now, je veux is to I want. Tu veux is to you want. Il, elle veut is to he, she wants. Nous voulons is to we want. Vous voulez is to
Vous
you.
voulez. Vous voulez is to
You want. See, in nous and vous, we have a same ending of O, N, S and E, Z.
Vous voulez.
And il and L also, that's a plural. The plural, we have ENT ending. Say clair.
Clair.
So repeat after me. Je veux is to I want.
Je veux is to I want.
Speak up. Tu veux is to you want.
Tu veux is to you want.
Il, elle veut.
Is to he, she want.
Very good.
Nous voulons is to
Nous voulons is to we want. Vous voulez is to you want in terms of formal.
Il vous
Ils veulent.
ils veulent.
Elles veulent. Why veulent? Because listen to me. EU sound is a and N and T would be silent. Say clair.
Claire.
Now répétez après moi. Je veux is to I want. Tu veux is to you want. Il, elle veut is to he, she wants. Nous voulons is to we want. Vous voulez is to you want. That's a formal. And il, elle veulent.
हाँ जी.
C'est clair?
ओके, एक चीज है जैसे ओ यू है,
हाँ.
इसको ई
O you sound is u.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है. जब हम जब व के साथ लिखते हैं,
हाँ,
व के
yes.
साथ लिखते हैं और इल एल व के साथ लिखते हैं तो ई यू क्यों हो जाता है?
Yes, that's a rule of the French language.
ओके,
C'est clair?
क्लियर.
We have nu and wu with ou, but il and el plural also we have eu. See, il and el plural, that's the last they want, is also eu.
इल एल ज त्यू इल एल और इल
El
एल.
plural, that is eu. We have two verbs with the same similarity. One is vulvar verb. Show me the notepad. Show me the notepad, please. See, we have a vulvar verb over here. Vulvar is to I want. We have a verb pouvoir. Speak up. Pouvoir.
पूवार.
Pouvoir.
वी ओ
Speak up. Pouvoir.
पूवार.
Pouvoir. Speak up. Pouvoir.
पूवार.
Pouvoir. Speak up. Pouvoir.
पूवार.
Pouvoir is a verb to can.
ओके.
See, it is very important to understand when I want to speak English, when I say I want, very important things. I can do that. I can do that. I can drive that. I can go there. I can. These are very important words. If I don't know in English, for example, you don't know can and want in English, you cannot speak English. I'm saying you cannot. Very important things. The same in French language also, we have two verbs which is very important. Vouloir, speak up, vouloir
वुलवार
and pouvoir.
एंड पूवार.
Speak up. I'm repeating one more time. We have a two verb which is very important. Pouvoir, pouvoir. Now repeat after me. Pouvoir and vouloir. Speak up. Vouloir. Speak up. Vouloir. Now repeat after me. Vouloir. Okay? Now repeat after me. Pouvoir. Pouvoir.
पूवार या
पूवार.
पुलवार.
Pouvoir and vouloir.
अच्छा, ओनली पूवार. पूवार
And vulvar. Pouvoir and vulvar. Say clair. Pouvoir and vulvar.
वुलवार.
Repeat after me. So we have
पूवार एंड वुलवार.
exactement. So it is very important to understand the verbs pattern. Pouvoir
इज टू
and vulvar. Now speak after me. Pouvoir is to I can.
Yes.
Speak up. Pouvoir is
टू
to
आई कैन.
vulvar is to you want.
आई. ठीक है.
Oh, sorry, vulvar is to
I
verb. Sorry, it's my mistake. Vulvar, that's tu verb, il
Ah,
verb,
yes.
el verb. Tu verb is to you want. Say clair.
Clair.
So now you have to repeat after me. Pouvoir,
पूवार
vulvar.
वुलवार.
Now speak after me. Pouvoir is to I can.
पूवार इज टू आई कैन.
Sorry, je peux,
वुलवार
tu
इज टू आई
peux.
वांट.
No. Pouvoir is to can. Je peux, tu peux. We have a conjugation. Pouvoir is a full verb to can. Speak up. Pouvoir.
पूवार इज टू कैन.
And vulvar is to can.
ओके.
If I will say I can, that is converted into je per, tu per, il per, elle per, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il per, elle per. Why? Je veux, tu veux, il veut, je peux, tu peux, il peut. C'est clair?
Clair.
Similarity. See, if I will say je peux, tu peux, il peut, je veux, tu veux, il veut. P-E-U-X. I will pen down over here the verb. I will exactement. Je peux, speak up.
जप
Je peux, P-E-U-X.
ट्यूप
Tu peux, pen down please. Tu peux.
इल एल
Il, elle peut. Repeat after me. Répétez après
इल
moi.
एल प
Il, elle peut. Nous pouvons. Répétez après moi. Nous pouvons.
पूवों
Vous pouvez. Vous pouvez. And il, elle peuvent. C'est clair.
clair.
So this is the basically verb pattern of je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Clair.
See, it is very important to understand vulvar.
This
Vouloir, c'est très bien. Bien. C'est très bien.
इसमें वी क्यों लगाया आपने?
PEUVENT. Puff. इसमें आएगा. PEUVENT.
पर
Puff.
वैसे
वल
वर्ड में नहीं है ना.
वल में हमने L लगाया था. Vouloir, why? Because okay, that is pouvoir. POUVOIR ना? Is a verb to pouvoir. So we have an ending. That's a V. We have V over here. Because we have a verb with pouvoir. POUVOIR. For this reason we have V over here.
POUVOIR.
Yes, POUVOIR. Say Claire.
Claire.
Claire. Now repeat after me. Vouloir.
Vouloir.
Speak up. Vouloir.
Vouloir.
Vouloir is to want. That's a full verb. And pouvoir is to can. Speak up. Pouvoir is to can.
मेरे को अंडरस्टैंड नहीं हुआ ये सेकंड वाला.
Simple है.
सेकंड वाले के पहले स्पेलिंग.
Pouvoir is to
PAUVOIR.
POU. Pouvoir. OU sound is U. Pouvoir. VOIR.
POUVOIR. OI है वा.
हाँ, and OU sound is U.
इसका pouvoir.
Pouvoir is to can.
ठीक है. ओके तो जप
Jump is to देखो हमने क्या किया था वुलवार में वर्क किया था VEUX. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे PEUX.
हाँ XXT लगेगा.
हाँ
है ना.
and ONS
EZ और ENT. ENT वाले में आपने जो
puff PEU
वही वाला जो ऊपर कराया है ना हमने.
हाँ वल. देखो मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
क्लियर.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ. नहीं क्लियर नहीं हो अभी आपको. आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू. देखो नाउ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. वुलवार कर रहे हैं पहले व. पहले व को पेन डाउन करो. पेन डाउन प्लीज. व इज टू आई वांट. व इज टू आई वांट. व इज टू आई वांट. वी आर डूइंग वुलवार वर्ब राइट.
अभी वुलवार कर रहे हैं.
यस. ट्यू VEUX. You want. Say Claire mademoiselle.
Yes.
Il. Elle. VEUT. Say bien mademoiselle.
Yes.
Say Claire.
Claire.
Nous voulons. Why voulons? Because I have to eliminate IR over here. I have to eliminate IR. We left with VOULONS. Nous voulons. C'est clair.
Yes.
Claire.
Claire.
Vous voulez. Speak up.
VOULEZ.
VOULEZ. Vous voulez.
नहीं VOU.
LEZ. Why? Because with vous we have EZ ending. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Claire.
Okay. And il. L. Val. VEULENT. VEULENT. Why LENT? Because see, you have to eliminate IR and you left with VOU, but here we have VEU because that's a rule. So VEULENT. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now repeat after me. VEUX.
VEUX.
Tu speak up. Tu Il speak up. Il
इसके XXT आता है.
XXT. Nous voulons. Speak up. Nous voulons. Vous voulez. Speak up. Vous voulez. Il veulent. Speak up. Il veulent. C'est clair, mademoiselle. C'est clair. Now speak after me. Java is to I want. Speak up. Java
is to I want.
Tuva is to you want.
Il is to he she want.
Very good.
New voulons.
हाँ.
है ना. New voulons is to we want.
हाँ.
Vous voulez is to
हाँ.
you want. Il veulent.
Very good. Now speak after me. Java is to I want. Tuva is to you want. Il is to. Make it fast, please. The moment you will go with a faster version, so that you will get a tone, you will get a touch of the French language. C'est clair. So now speak up. Java, tuva, il va, elle va. Nous voulons, vous voulez, il va, elle va. Japa, tupa, il per, el per, nu pu puve, il per, el per. Now repeat like this.
Java,
Tuva,
il elva, nuvulo,
vuvule, il vol, el vol, japa,
japa,
tupa,
tupa, ilpa, elpa, nupulo.
Nous pouvons, Nous pouvons. vous pouvez, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Now listen to me very carefully. Ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Now listen, see, I'm telling you, when I was learning French language, it's been long back, 12 years back, okay, we also faced a same problem. Because vulvar and pouvoir verb is very important, but it is very hard to understand. So for this reason, you can, listen my recording, you can listen my voice again and again. How? Whenever you will sit free, listen the voice. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. C'est clair?
Clair.
Now repeat after me. I will repeat. You have to understand and you have to repeat out. Okay? First we'll start with a very slow version, then faster, faster, faster and faster. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il peut, elle peut. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut. Now repeat after me. Je veux, starting
Je
Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. C'est clair? Now, repeat after me. मेरे साथ बोलो आप. Repeat, répétez après moi.
Je
Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Ok, c'est clair. Now répétez après moi. Encore. Encore is again. Répétez après moi encore. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. Je peux, tu peux, ils peuvent, elles peuvent, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Clair.
C'est clair? So, these basic we have like vulvar and pouvoir verb is very important now. Now, for example, chalo, you will repeat first. Répétez encore, s'il vous plaît.
Okay. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut. Nous voulons na? Vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent.
C'est très bien. And now, je peux,
Je peux, elle peut,
tu
tu peux, il peut,
elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez. C'est pouvoir verb. C'est clair, c'est le pouvoir verb. C'est le pouvoir verb, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. C'est clair?
हाँ, yes, clear. इसमें थोड़ा confusion हो जाता है वो
Say,
फूल
pas de problème, mademoiselle. Just be ici pour vous. I'm here for you. C'est clair?
Clair.
See, the more we'll do repetition. Okay? Encore répétez, s'il vous plaît. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. C'est clair?
Clair.
For example, you will repeat the recording, you will repeat yourself with the repetition 100 times. So these words will fix in your mind.
अच्छा it's called well, it's called pouvons.
Puff.
नहीं वो जब हम vui में बोलते हैं it's
हाँ.
a pouvons. It's
Voulons.
a voulons.
Pouvons.
It's a pouvons. Pouvons. It's a voulons. हाँ. It's
C'est
a
clair?
only confusion. हाँ ये.
Now, for example, you will say, I want to eat. For example, now if you want to speak French language, for example, obviously you are here for évidemment, obviously. Speak up, évidemment.
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 Obviously, we'll say, obviously, speak up, évidemment.
Évidemment.
Speak up, évidemment.
Évidemment.
Speak up, évidemment.
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 Obviously, évidemment.
Obviously. अच्छा évidemment.
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 Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
No problem at all. Good. Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
Évidemment.
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 Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
Je suis fatigué.
Je suis fatigué.
Je suis mal.
Je suis mal.
Okay. Je suis contente.
Je suis content. Je suis triste.
C'est clair?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for example, you want to speak French language and you will say, I want to play.
I want
For example, you want to speak French language and you will say, I want to play. I want to play. Now, as a rule, you have two verbs over here. One, we have a want verb,
yes. It's a play verb.
and one, we have a play verb. Now, it is very important to understand. Very important. Pen down, repeat my words, take my words. Whenever you have two verbs together in one line, I want to play, we have two verbs together. One verb, first verb, I want, will conjugate with I, we, whatever you have subject. The second verb will not conjugate. Second verb will be full verb. C'est clair?
Clair.
If I will say I want to play, I want is what? Je veux.
Je veux. Yes.
Je veux. To play is what? Jouer.
Yes.
We have done play verb jouer.
Yes.
Je veux jouer. C'est clair?
Yes.
If you will say I want to clean,
I want
to cook. I want to cook, I want to clean. I want to cook. I want to cook. Je veux. Je veux. We have a verb is I want. Je veux. Je veux.
Yes.
Cook is cuisiner.
It's a
We have a full verb. Je veux cuisiner. C'est clair. C'est clair.
Clair.
See, now you came to know how to speak French language. For example, you will say, I can go. If you will say, I can go. Je peux. I can is what? Je peux, we have done pouvoir verb. Je peux aller. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
मतलब जो second verb है
That
वो
will
full
be
होनी
full
चाहिए.
verb if we have a two verbs in one line.
Okay.
C'est clair, without
Clair,
any
clair.
full stop.
Clair.
If you will say, I want to dress up. I want to dress up. So what you will say? Je
Je veux
s'habiller. Je veux.
s'habiller. I want to dress up. Je veux.
Here we have Je veux s'habiller. Je veux s'habiller. S apostrophe H-A-B-I-L-L-E-R.
H-A-B.
B-I-L-L-E-R. Je veux s'habiller.
What's it called? Sabi.
Why we have apostrophe here? Because we have a word A. So is S-E. But we have a next word starting from word sa, A. So we have removed E and we have apostrophe. C'est clair.
Clair.
Je veux s'habiller.
Je veux s'habiller.
If you will say, I want you, what I would say, I want to buy.
He want to buy car.
Okay, very good. He wants to buy a car. Pen down, please. He wants to buy a car. Up now, here we have
3 है verb.
3. He wants to buy. No, we have 2 verb. He wants to buy.
Wants to buy. क्यों फिर आशते और भी हो गया.
We have 2
car.
verbs. 2 verbs.
Yes.
Car is a noun.
Car noun.
Right. But we have article over here, a car.
Yes.
Right. He wants is what? Il.
Yes.
Il.
Il.
Verb. V-E-U-T.
V-E-U-T.
He wants is what? He wants. Il veut acheter. Full verb.
Voiture.
Une voiture, because a car is my feminine we have done.
Yes.
So une, because we have a une voiture, we have a 2 type of indefinite articles, a and a. Un and une. Voiture is my feminine, car is my female in French language. He wants to buy a car. Il veut acheter une voiture. Il veut, he wants Acheter is to buy. Une is a. Voiture is my car. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
अगर वहाँ पे अ ना हो तो भी
You want to buy a car? तो il va acheter voiture.
हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे अगर ए दे रखा है तो ही इन आएगा ना.
हाँ, otherwise il va acheter voiture. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
क्लियर.
C'est clair. If you will say, I want to take. I want to take. For example, you will say, I want to take. What you will say?
j
Verb.
v
Take is my
take
verb.
prendre.
Very good. Très bien, mademoiselle. Vous êtes très intelligent. It means je veux prendre.
P-R-O-N
P-R-E-N. E-N sound is O. P-R-E-N-D-R-E. Prendre. E-N-D-R-E. Prendre. See, it is just I'm telling you the very, very beginner level of French language. So if you say, I want to take this. I want you clean. तो je veux nettoyer. Nettoyer is to
ने तो ये स्पेलिंग क्या है?
N-E-T-O-N-E-T-O-Y-Y-E-R. nettoyer. E-T-O. nettoyer.
N-E-T-O
Y.
N-E-T-O
Y-Y-E-R. nettoyer.
Y-Y-E-R.
C'est clair.
nettoyer.
C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Clair.
If you will say, I want you dress up a shirt. Pen down, please. I want you
I want
to dress up a shirt.
dress up a shirt. Never know.
Yes, I want you. Now you have to pen down. You have to make your sentence like I want to dress up a shirt. So what you will say? I want is what? Je veux. To dress up is what? S'habiller.
यूं आएगा अन आएगा.
Une chemise.
शर्ट
Shirt is female. Une chemise. Une. Je veux s'habiller une chemise. C'est clair, mademoiselle. C'est clair.
शमीज की स्पेलिंग क्या है?
C-H-E-M-I-S-E. chemise. C-H-E-M-I-S-E. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
M-I जो मैंने बोला.
C-H-E-M-I-S-E. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Clear.
C-H-E-M-I-S-E. Je veux s'habiller une chemise. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Clair.
C'est clair.
Clair.
I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car. Je veux conduire. We have full verb over here. Je veux conduire une voiture. Conduire. C-O-N-D-U-I-R-E. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Conduire une voiture. C'est clair, mademoiselle. One you can make it. I want to read a book. Pen down, please. I want you, because today the module is you will speak French language and you have to speak up.
I want to
read a book. Always remember, book is my male in French language.
Male.
Book is my masculine in French language. So I want is what je veux. Read is what lire. L-I-R-E.
ठीक है.
Je veux lire.
L-I-R-E आएगा.
Lire. Je veux lire un, un, because a book,
yes.
un livre, L-I-V-R-E, livre is to book.
L-I-V-R-E.
Yes, livre.
V-R-E ना?
L-I-V-R-E. L-I-V-R-E, livre. If I will say, I want to read a book, je veux lire un livre. C'est clair? C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Clair.
Okay. I want to buy the table. Pen down, please. I want to buy the table. Table is my feminine in French language. Sorry. I want to I want to buy. जब वो acheter la table, la, L-E, la, because feminine. I want to buy the table. So whenever we have a female da, that is la.
Yes.
Whenever we have a masculine the, we have la. And whenever we have plural, that is les, le. I want to buy the table. जब वो acheter la table. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Claire.
Okay. If you will say, for example, I want to buy the chair. I want to buy the chair. So what you will say? जब acheter, c'est clair, mademoiselle. I want to buy is what? जब I want जब acheter is to buy la chaise. Chair. La chaise. CHAISSE. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Claire.
C'est clair?
Claire.
Okay. Acha, you have to make one sentence, mademoiselle. Okay. Make it. I love my husband. I love my husband. Now I will explain to you a lot of things over here. Basically, we have possessive adjective in French language.
Possessive adjective.
What is possessive adjective basically? You will say my. In English, if I will say my book, my husband is male, my wife is female, but my is common. My is common. It can be female, my wife, my girl, my boy, my is common. But in French, it is not like that. In French, we have three formulas: masculine, feminine, and plural. Like we have le, la, le. Okay. In the same case, we have three type of my in French. We have three type of
My.
in French. We have three type of my in French. One is masculine, feminine, and plural. C'est clair.
Claire.
So now repeat after me. Mon, speak up. Mon,
Mon.
ma,
M-O-U. Mon.
no, M-O-N. Here.
M-O-N.
Speak up. Mon, ma, me. Pen down, please.
Mommy.
Speak up. Mon, ma, me. Speak up.
Mommy.
M-O-N, mo. Is my male, my?
Mo. Ma.
Me. Mo stand for male.
Okay.
Ma stand for female.
Okay.
And may stand for plural. C'est clair.
ठीक है.
C'est clair.
Claire.
Mon, ma, me. Speak up. Speak up, please. Mon, ma, me.
Mommy.
Ton, ta, te.
Ton tante.
Speak up. Ton, ta, te.
Ton tante.
Ton is for informal you, tumhara.
Okay.
In Hindi we have tumhara, informal, whenever we are speaking to your younger one, उनकी छोटी सी बात.
Your की जगह use.
हाँ. Ton is for male, ta is for female, and te is for plural. C'est clair.
Claire.
Mo, ma, me, ton, ta, te. Son, sa, se. Speak up. Son, sa, se. Speak up. Speak up. Son, sa, se.
ठीक है.
Son, sa, se. Speak up.
Son sa se.
Son क्या है? His. Sa क्या है? Her. And se क्या है? Plural. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
So his, her और
Plural.
plural क्या होगा?
बहुत सारे.
कहीं भी.
कहीं भी. C'est clair.
Claire.
C'est clair. Speak up. Mo, ma, me.
Mo ma me.
Ton, ta, te. Son, sa, se. C'est clair. If I will say my husband, that is my husband. My husband. Okay. If I will say my wife, now you will came to know what I will apply over here. So now.
My husband में आएगा mo.
Yes.
Mo मारी. और my wife में आएगा
Ma femme.
मारी.
Ma femme. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Claire.
C'est clair.
Clair.
Now repeat after me. Mo, ma, me.
Mo mami.
तो ताते.
To tate.
Very
So
good. तो
se.
very good. Speak after me. Mo
Mo
mame.
mami. To tate. So se.
Very good.
Mo mami. To tate. So se.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Now, for example, because now you came to know my, mo, ma, me. Mo is for masculine, ma is for feminine, and me is for plural. To is for masculine, ta is for feminine, and te is for plural. So is for his, masculine, sa is for her, and se is for plural.
आप मेरे को मेल के वो बताओगे मेल को क्या बोलते हैं फ्रेंच में?
Masculine, masculine, masculine.
LINE.
Masculine.
Mescline.
Say claire, mademoiselle.
Claire. और
Masculine. So
और वो
feminine. FEMI. You have listened your because you are a girl, so you have a lot of that beauty products. Feminine, Femina something.
Yes,
There is a
yes.
feminine. FEMININ. There is one brand also, Femina something.
yes.
Feminine. FEMINI. Your beauty product, something like your lipstick, something. Is it clear
Yes,
to you?
yes.
So feminine. FEMININE. Say claire, mademoiselle.
NINE.
Yes, we have a lot of French products in India which we are
Yes.
using, right? So now you will come to know. Say claire. Say claire, mademoiselle.
Claire.
Okay. Now, over here, we have one thing over here. You have to pen. I will give you some English translation which you have to convert this in French language.
Yes.
I love my husband. I want to drive a car with my husband. You have to make it these lines. And you can make it now. And now you can speak French. I'm telling you, that's a reality. Now you will speak French. How? I love my husband. J'adore mon mari. J'adore my husband. Husband is what? Masculine. So j'adore mon mari. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Claire.
I want to drive a car with my husband.
I want
To drive a car with my husband.
a car
With my husband.
with my
Husband. What you will say? Je veux conduire. Conduire. C'est clair.
Claire.
Une voiture.
Conduire.
Une voiture.
Yes.
With is what? Avec. As I already conveyed you, avec.
Yes,
AVEC. Avec. With my husband, mon mari. Avec mon mari. So if I will say, je veux conduire une voiture avec mon mari. C'est clair. C'est très bien.
Thread.
C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Claire.
I want you anything. What you will say? I
want to buy
very good. I want to buy
clothes
with my husband.
with my sister.
With my sister. Very good. I want to buy
मैं बनाती हूँ.
a cloth. I want to buy a cloth. Je veux acheter a cloth. I already conveyed you vêtements. C'est clair, mademoiselle. ठीक है? Cloth is my male in French language. So je veux acheter un vêtement.
मैंने यहाँ पे a clothes नहीं है, only clothes.
Okay, je veux acheter vêtements. VEE के ऊपर circumflex. TEMENT. Vêtements. Okay, I will explain to you. Vêtements. Here. Vêtements. Look at here. Vêtements. Cloth is my vêtements.
नहीं आपने ये e के ऊपर.
E के ऊपर circumflex.
Vêtements.
C'est clair, mademoiselle. Vêtements.
अच्छा मैंने जो t के बाद e आया ना उसके ऊपर bottom to top लगा.
No, that is a sound. Simple a. That is not a or a sound. That is a sound. So vêtements. So I want to buy. Je veux acheter vêtements avec ma sœur.
S नहीं लगेगा, only e है.
क्योंकि clothes करना है तो vêtements लिख दो. It's short wish. C'est clair. So
avec ma sœur.
Sir. Why ma? Because mon ma में
Is it
feminine? Exactement.
Sir, SOUR ना?
SOUER.
UER.
EUR is
Okay.
SOU
मतलब every word अगर खत्म होता है ER उस पे खत्म होता है.
और sir, SOEUR. C'est clair, mademoiselle? C'est clair? SOEUR, sir.
ठीक है.
SOUER, sir. Speak up. SOEUR, sir. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Clair.
Sir. SOEUR. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Clair.
If you will say, now you came to know, I want to clean the house with my brother.
Want to clean
I want to clean the house.
the house
I want to clean the house with my brother.
with my
Brother. So what you will say? I want to clean. Java.